Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today on this video I'm going to share with you a quick recipe of how to make thick yogurt at home. It is a very simple one and I hope you like it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly consider doing so, and for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support. Let's get into the video. And to make yogurt, you're gonna start by boiling your milk, and I used 2 liters of milk. Use any quantity depending on the amount that you'd like to make, and bring the milk to a boil, and then you're going to give it a good stir and then leave it to rest until it is completely cooled or until it is just lukewarm. And after cooling, you're going to take your sieve and you're going to remove the cream, just that you do not get lumpy yogurt. And after that, now you're going to give the milk a good sieve. And after sieving, now moving on to the next step, you will need bio yogurt, and I used plain yogurt. You can use any flavor that you like. Be sure to use the bio yogurt as it has live culture. And you're just going to take all that yogurt and add it to the milk. And if you're making just 1 liter of yogurt, you can use the small bio yogurt. You do not have to use this big one for 1 liter. And even if you're making 2 liters, you can use this. It is 250 ml, and you're going to give it a very good stir, ensuring that all the yogurt has completely come together with the milk. And after that, now you're going to need a warm blanket like you see on the video, and you're going to wrap your yogurt very well. If you have a container that is airtight, pour it there. And then after that, now you're going to wrap the milk using that blanket. And you're going to do this and leave it overnight for 8 hours or more. I left mine for 12 hours, but 8 hours would be just okay. And we are wrapping the milk in the blanket just so that it doesn't lose that temperature. That will help the yogurt the live culture to make the yogurt. And now this is 12 hours later. Let's look at the yogurt. Just unwrap it. And like you can see, it has completely formed. It is so thick. Just going in with a spatula to show you how thick this yogurt is, and you're going to give it another good mix. If you have a plastic whisk, use that. Do not use the metal one, because I heard that it is better to use plastics when making the yogurt. And you're going to give it a good stir. And this is the point where now you go ahead and season your yogurt. At this point, I added sugar, 3 tablespoons to 2 liters of yogurt. Now use however much you like. If you like your yogurt too sweet, you can add more. And if you like plain yogurt, just leave it at this as it is ready. And after mixing in with the sugar, give it a good mix just to ensure that the yogurt is fully seasoned to the last bit. And since this was 2 liters of yogurt, I wanted a liter of yogurt to be strawberry flavor and the other one to be vanilla flavored. So I just divided it into 2 and put the first liter into a 1 liter container like shown, before moving on to the next step. So at this point now, I took my my strawberry essence and added like 1 teaspoon to the 1 liter of yogurt. And then after adding that, you're going to give it a good mix. You can even make this recipe for business. You can make yogurt and sell it. Completely a profitable business, especially if you can get the milk from the ATM or even milk from the farmers. It is completely profitable if you do try, because it is cheap to make this yogurt and even it saves you time. And after mixing, you can see the strawberry yogurt is ready. And for the remaining one, I just went ahead and added vanilla essence. And like I said, when it comes to flavors, just do it according to your will, how you like your yogurt. If you like it plain, leave it plain. If you like banana flavor, if you like strawberry, vanilla, just whatever you like, add it in there and give it a very, very good mix. And just do the math, you guys. Compared to buying the ready-made yogurt, homemade yogurt is cheap. It saves you money, it saves you time. In just a few hours you have your yogurt, and like you can see, it is very thick, just looks like just the store-bought one. There's no much difference, and the yogurt is ready. And for the storage, you're gonna need to put it into an airtight container, a bottle, like you see I put mine in bottles, and put them in the fridge, and you can use them for up to 2 weeks. Thank you so much, and bye bye.